Hey guys, this is Yum Chanted for you. Our motto is cook wise, eat wise, and be calorie wise. Bagara Bengan is one of the finest jewels in Hyderabadi cuisine. Fried brinjal floating in peanut and coconut based gravy is one that can make anyone start their love affair with brinjals. There are again many versions of this recipe, generally flooded with oil. In my recipe, I use just the right amount of oil. The gravy is made with ingredients which are already high in oil like peanuts, sesame, and coconut. So there is no need to add any excess oil. All my friends who tasted this agree that this is the best version of Bagara Bengan. This recipe serves 3 and each serving has 332 kilocalories. Let's start with the gravy. Into a medium hot pan goes half a cup of peanuts, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, peppercorns half teaspoon, 8 to 10 red dried chilies, cumin 2 teaspoons and saute them. When the covering of the peanuts starts to change color, add 2 tablespoons of sesame. This adds amazing flavor to the gravy and makes it really rich. Roast till sesame turns aromatic and golden brown. Keep this aside. In the same pan, add quarter teaspoon of oil and 75 grams of diced onions. Cut them in any manner as we are going to blend them. Saute them on medium flame till the onions become transparent. Add 30 grams of diced coconut and saute till it turns golden brown. Keep this aside. I have taken 6 small brinjals which weigh 400 grams altogether. Slit them vertically like this, keeping the stalk intact. Add a pinch of salt in each brinjal. Putting salt in this manner helps brinjal cook uniformly inside out. Here goes 1.5 tablespoons of oil into medium hot pan. Place all the brinjals that we slit in it. Cover with lid. Turn them intermittently to ensure they are cooked evenly on all sides. Usually people deep fry brinjals for Bagara Bengan. I think it is totally unnecessary. You can get the same taste with low calories by shallow frying them. Our ingredients for the gravy have cooled down. Transfer these into a mixie jar. Put 15 grams of tamarind and quarter cup of water and give it a good blitz in the blender. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and salt to taste and blend again. Let's check our brinjals with a fork if they are cooked. They seem to be ready. Let's pour in our gravy and add quarter cup of water. Mix gently, making sure you do not break brinjals. The gravy is made with ingredients which are already high in oil, so there is no need to add any excess oil. Cover with lid and cook it on simmer for 15 minutes. The water evaporates and gravy starts to thicken. You can add some more water if you want. Keep turning and tossing whenever required. I think our Bagara Bengan is ready. All the flavors of the gravy are absorbed by the brinjals. Trust me, every bite of it tastes exhilarating. Serve it hot with roti or rice. Bagara Bengan goes very well with seasoned rice. It is one of my favorite combinations. Let me show you how to make this quick, easy and yummy seasoned rice. In a small pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon each of mustard seeds, coriander seeds and cumin. Add few curry leaves and saute them till they splutter. Here is 1.5 cups of rice cooked in 3 cups of water. To this add salt and seasoning and mix well. Serve our dainty Bagara Bengan with this seasoned rice. Just enjoy this delightsome meal prepared in a healthier way with less oil. Impress your family, friends and of course yourself with this Hyderabadi Bagara Bengan. You know that Yum Chanted is all about yummy, easy and healthy recipes. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and drop in a comment. If you like the recipe, share it with your near and dear ones. Until next video, adios!